Well, hello, this is Rochelle, and thank you for joining me here on the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. Today I'm kicking off the devotional Hidden Treasures, which is the May month devotional by Creative Retreat, and I'm just loving all the colors, loving all the stuff, but more than all of that, which is pretty, I really love the devotional, and she speaks of these hidden treasures that God has placed on the inside of us and that He will reveal to us and that will be stored up for access in dark times. And so I really wanted something bright because in the middle of the dark times, when we are faced with just more dark, it sometimes can be very discouraging. But we read in Isaiah 45 that God has given us those treasures, those things that we've worked through and conquered, those areas in our lives where we say it cannot possibly get worse, and then God brings us through. And I'll never be able to make it, but God gives us the way to do it. He makes a way where there seems to be no way. And it's in those times that God has given us those treasures to draw on and to pull back on. So I took some pattern paper from the Faithful Digitals, as well as one of the journaling cards with the darker blue, and I made this little kind of, background in my journaling Bible. And I wanted to put in that "To Know You" little piece with the bright yellow tulipy flowers to encourage myself. To know that no matter what you face, no matter what you're going through, no matter where you find yourself, that God has already made a way for you, that He's already brought you through it. In the end, He wins, you win, and you spend eternity with Him. So it's all about knowing Him. It's all about knowing His nature, His character, His conquest in the middle of those trials that we face. And sometimes there are miracles at the end of those trials in the sense of breakthrough, but sometimes He just helps you, and that in itself is a miracle. He helps you to get through, to face, to persevere despite the hard, despite the sad, despite the anger. Sometimes God gives you the tools, these hidden treasures, to get through it. And it's in that, the getting through it, that you have a testimony to speak to the world that's going through similar things. So today, as you remember a few of the treasures that God has hidden in your heart, a few of the beautiful moments He's brought you through, as you remember that, let's thank Him that we get to know Him for who He is. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.